Hello everyone, let's prevent the solution given this exponential equation, which is 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a is equal to 100. So what is the value of a? Now solution from here, we have that 5 raised to power a is common here, so we can have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 100, okay? Now from what we have here, this is 5 raised to power a, 1 plus 1 is 2, so multiplying by 2, this is equal to 100. So divide both signs by 2, so that we'll have 5 raised to power a, this is equal to 50. If you simplify here, this is 50. Now to solve for the value of a, we introduce the natural logarithm, so that we'll have log 5 raised to power a, this is equal to log 50, okay? Now from what we have here, log 5 raised to power a, this is in the form of log a raised to power m, which you can express as m log a, okay? So this is the power rule property of logarithm, so that we'll have log 5 raised to power a becomes a log 5. This is equal to log 50. So we divide both signs by log 5 and log 5, okay? So now if you simplify here, half a is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. Now log 50, that is 50 can be expressed as 25 multiplying by 2. And this 25 can be expressed as 5 raised to power 2 multiplying by 2, okay? So 50 is 5 squared times 2. So let's substitute this. We'll have a is equal to log 5 squared multiplying by 2 divided by log 5, okay? Now from what we have here, log 5 squared times 2, this is actually in the form of log a multiplying by b, which we can express as log a plus log b, okay? So this is log a plus log b, okay? So let's apply this logarithm property, so that we'll have a is equal to log 5 raised to power 2 divided by log 5 plus this is log 2 divided by log 5, okay? So now we have a is equal to log 5 squared. This can be expressed as 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus, now we have log 2, this is the same thing as log 2 divided by log 5, okay? Now if you simplify here, we'll have a is equal to 2 plus, now log 2 divided by log 5, that is log 2 divided by log 5 is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b, okay? So let's apply this property. We'll have log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of a, okay? So let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation, okay? Now if you recall, we end that 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a, this is supposed to be equal to 100, which we simplified as 5 raised to power a, this is equal to 50, okay? Let's verify that this value of a, which is 2 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end at 5 raised to power a plus 5 raised to power a, this is equal to 100, okay? Now we simplify this further to 5 raised to power a, which is equal to 50. So let's substitute the value of a, so that we'll have 5 raised to power, this is 2 plus log 2 to base 5, this is equal to 100, okay? Now 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 to base 5, this is actually in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Now let's apply this indices property, so that you'll have 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Sorry, this should give us a value of 50. Now from what we have here, 5 squared, this is equal to 25, okay? So we have 25 multiplied by, now 5 raised to power log 2 to base 5, this is actually in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, and this is supposed to give us a value of a. Now similarly, 5 raised to power log 2 to base 5, this should give us a value of 2. Now let's substitute this value of 2. We'll have 25 times 2. This should be equal to 50. So 25 times 2, this is equal to 50. And that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay? And that affirms that the value of A, which is equal to 2 log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly like this video and subscribe.